Hello and welcome to Apreco. Come on inside and have a look. At Apreco, we don't just engineer products, we protect people and assets with precision. From full UK-based manufacturing and design to support with service and maintenance, we deliver end-to-end protection you can rely on.
Once the customer issues their order, it is my responsibility to make sure the customer gets the products they've ordered when they need it and to the quality that they would expect from Apreco.
We've got a couple of large projects on the go. It shows you the true scale of what we do here. So assembly is set up into two departments. We've got fire, which takes care of pressure relief, and then healthcare over in this section. You can see the guys are working on PRV systems at the moment.
The products that my team produce ensure that our customers can protect their assets and staff when they need it the most.
I'd definitely say we're providing a safety feature. I mean, it's critical.
So we've got our paint plant facility here. So our pre-treat system is running its cycle at the moment. It's a 3-stage bath. In tank 1, we have a zinc phosphate cleaner. Tank 2 is the water bath, and tank 3 is a rust inhibitor. The last stage would then be the drying oven. It then comes out, gets hung on our rails, into our paint plant, and the whole process in total takes about 45 minutes. As you can see, we carry a high level of stock on the shelves. In particular, these are for our fire suppression vents. The level of stock means that we can fulfill any size order.
Here we have a selection of sizes from our fire suppression range. We keep these sizes and many more in stock, ready for dispatch.
For us, really, as I focus on the customer's needs and the products we supply, doing the right products at the right time is really, really key to our customers. We pride ourselves in making a quality product for the right price, which is always very important to our customers, but we don't sacrifice quality for price. We make sure we deliver what we promise. It's really fulfilling to see that our products are very helpful to people and meet their needs. We've had situations, certainly with COVID, where we had to provide products to people in a very urgently and very quick time. When other places were closed and we kept going, because at the end of the day, that's what we're here for, to protect the people and the assets that they've got.
It's a real team effort here. Everyone works to put the customers first and to deliver to the customers what they want when they want it. Apreco started in the healthcare industry, helping hospitals manage contamination control in operating theatres. And I have a team of technical salespeople that are experts in supporting consultants to make sure they have the right solution to protect against contamination. A few years later, we developed some products for the fire industry, specifically gaseous fire suppression systems, which relieve pressure when those systems are deployed. That covers a broad spectrum of industries. In addition to that, we then work in things like laboratories and clean rooms, but we also work in large industries such as data centers as well, where we can offer a broad spectrum from both of those product portfolios. So we can offer pressure stabilization, where it helps to manage those pressure levels within a data center. Also, it helps with things like pressure relief, where if you have a significant amount of increases in pressure in a building, we have products that will relieve that pressure and protect the infrastructure of the building. Now you've met the team and you've seen our head office, why not come over to Malvern and see our newly installed laser?
The machine arrived with us at 8 AM this morning. We already have a punch and 2 press brakes on site, but this laser will enable us to increase our capacity, cut a lot thicker materials up to 25mm mild steel. Currently we can only do 5mm, and a lot of different type of materials, such as stainless steel, aluminium, which we currently can't cut. From sort of design through to sheet metal manufacture, so we do the full sheet metal process here at our Malvern site. Being able to bring those in-house, we can cut those lead times down, and the customer can get their product quicker and get it installed quicker.
This laser is an ENSYS 3 kilowatt laser. It's not a COT one, it's one of the new fibre designs, and it helps us with our in-house quality and gives us more flexibility on design work. Quality is one of the key areas that we focus on here at Apreco, and we check it throughout the process, which is why we brought so much manufacturing in-house, so we have full control from start to finish. I see the company's mission to protect people and assets come to life, and we hear success stories of where buildings have burnt down but areas have stayed safe to allow firefighters in, or operation theatres where they handle difficult situations but people have come out the other side unharmed.
I'm still a bit new here, but As time goes on, I'll be getting training on the punch and a couple other new machines that the company's getting. I'm very much excited to learn the laser. I can't wait for that. The people are great, the environment is great. It's just an all-round great company to work for.
Thank you for coming to see us at Apreco. If you would like some more information, please look on our website or email us at sales@apreco.com.